Hello again. Today we're going to make some binoculars, specifically for watching birds out in our backyard or out in the trails when we can get outside. So what you're going to need is you're going to need 2 toilet paper rolls, centers, or maybe 1 paper towel holder that you've cut in half. You're going to need something to decorate with. And you are going to need a string or piece of yarn, pretty good length. And then we're going to need to hold these together. And you can do that in a couple different ways. If you have tape, you can tape them together. If you have a stapler, you can staple them together. If you don't have either of those, you can also use paper clips. I'm going to paper clip mine. Just paper clip it like that. I'm also going to flip it over and paper clip it on the other side. Now I'm going to decorate. What should I decorate? I could draw a bird. I could draw a flower. I think I'll draw grass. You know how I love grass. I'm going to draw grass here. And I'm gonna draw, maybe I'll draw a sun up here. A little sun. Maybe I should have a couple flowers. We'll see if I have a couple flowers. Flowers like that. And then we'll need some petals for the flowers. Just drawing really quickly here. Little flowers. And of course, I'm gonna have to draw a bird. Let's see. My bird is gonna be flying right here. There's my little bird flying. Oops, I forgot its tail feathers. There we go. It's a little tiny bird. And now, in order to take this outside, I want to wear it. So we need to stick this, and we need to attach it to here. And if you have a hole punch, you can punch a hole into it and tie it around, and that'll stick really well. I do not have a hole punch, so I'm going to use a piece of tape. I'm going to tape it once, and then I'm going to tape it again. And then I'm going to kind of crisscross it and fold it over a little bit so it has some good tug, all right? I'm going to put it over on this side. Tape it down once this way, once like that, and once kind of like the letter X, crisscrossing it so that I have it like this. And now I can see you. I'm gonna go out and look for birds. Let's pretend. Let's see, if we were looking for birds, maybe we might see them first, or maybe we might hear them first. Let's pretend that we're outside and we're going to see if we can hear a bird. Listen to this and see if you can figure out what bird it is. Did you hear that? That is a cardinal. That's right, that's the daddy cardinal. They're the really bright red ones. Let's see if we can hear another bird. That's a hard one. Let's hear another sound it makes. Maybe this will help give you a big clue. This is what it sounds like. Ready? Here it comes. Did you hear that? Do you know what makes that sound? That's right. That's our pileated woodpecker. They like to drum on the trees looking for insects to eat. And they're there, feeding their babies the insects. Let's see what else we can hear. Let's see. Are you listening? Do you hear that? That's our chickadee. All right, this is the one I hear around my house all the time. It's the smallest little bird, and it makes such a racket. Do you hear it? That's a wren. It's a small little bird, but it makes such a racket. Yeah. Let's see if we can sing a song about some birds. Here we go. The song goes like this. Little bird, fly through my window. Little bird, fly through my window. Little bird, fly through my window, my molasses candy. And then we can hold up this bird thing, and we know what this is, right? Cardinal, fly through my window. Cardinal, fly through my window. Cardinal, fly through my window, my molasses candy. Chickadee, fly through my window. Chickadee, fly through my window. Chickadee, fly through my window, my molasses candy. Remember what this is? Woodpecker, fly through my window. Woodpecker, fly through my window. Woodpecker, fly through my window, my molasses candy. It's the noisy one, right? Wren, fly through my window. Wren, fly through my window. Wren, fly through my window, my molasses candy. Ah, we didn't listen to this one. Do you know what it is? That's right. Blue jay, fly through my window. Blue jay, fly through my window. Blue jay, fly through my window, my molasses candy. I bet you know this one too. Oops. Hummingbird, fly through my window. Hummingbird, fly through my window. Hummingbird, fly through my window, my molasses candy. Do you guys know any other birds that you could do this song with? What do you think? Eagle, fly through my window. Eagle, fly through my window. Eagle, fly through my window, my molasses candy. What's another one? Oh, Robin, fly through my window. Robin, fly through my window. Robin, fly through my window, my molasses candy. So you can do this with any bird you can think of. And I hope that you take your binoculars and you go out and you see if you can find some fun birds out in nature. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.